Hello, yesterday I made a video about a new Vox knife, the Fox Raven, and today I received a new one, the CRKT Amicus, which means friend in Latin, I think. Yeah, so this is my 15th Jesper Voxnaes knife collaboration, the first one with CRKT. And I must say this is by far the heaviest folding knife that I own. The main reason is this being stainless steel, so it's a steel frame lock knife. But it's very affordable, that's why the materials are not so high-end. So steel handles and 8CR13 MOV steel, which again is not the highest quality, it's a Chinese stainless steel, but it's okay, I guess. But for a price of around 60 to 70 euros, yeah, you cannot really say that it's bad. For that price you get a great knife. It's even heavier than the Fox Raven, here just a small size comparison. But let's compare it to another knife, namely the Böker Vox R3 second generation or light version. Why do I compare these two knives? Because, as you can hear from the name, this is the F3, and the Amicus is actually the production version of Jesper Voxnaes F4. So you have the F3 and the F4 in mass-produced versions instead of custom knives. This is quite a lot more expensive because it's carbon fiber, titanium, S35VN, while this is just stainless steel and 8CR13 MOV. But I would still say for that price it's a great knife. First of all, it has one of the smoothest frame lock operations I have seen, especially in that price category. Has a solid pocket clip, not quite as deep as some people might wish, but it's okay. And oh yeah, one downside is as with the F3, I mentioned a problem in the video about this knife. Opening in this hole, you have to really dig in your thumb and then push it outwards. I mean, it's okay when you get used to it. It's the same with the F3. When you get used to it, it's okay, but it's not as smooth as, let's say, most Spyderco knives. Alright. Oh yeah, one more comparison. The Spyderco Manix 2 lightweight in S110V. I made a video about that one before. As you can see, size-wise, they are quite similar. But the Amicus is more than twice as heavy than the Manix, because this is just FRCP or plastic, whereas this is stainless steel. So you can hold not 2.5, but a bit over 2 knives. It's I think around 80-85 grams, while this is 190 grams. So it's really heavy. Another comparison, the Kershaw Cryo, the original Cryo. Yeah, it's a lot smaller, but both of these knives have steel frame locks, and both utilize 8CR13 MOV steel. And this knife, even though it's very small, it's for its size, it's quite heavy, same as this. While this is a lot bigger, it's the heaviest knife, as I said before, the heaviest folding knife that I have. But for the price you cannot really beat it. I mean, it's very smooth operation, good lockup. Yeah. One minor downside again, it's that the fit and finish obviously is not the greatest compared to some high-end knives, but for the price you cannot expect more. I will show you again, I will show you in detail in a close-up view. Just give me a second. Okay, here we are. Okay, yeah, as you might see, the grind is not quite perfectly symmetrical, but I have seen more expensive knives with the same problem. But here, I don't know if you can see it really close to the very tip. It already comes with a small indentation or chip right out of the box, but I will put my own edge on it anyway, so that's not really a problem. Yeah, for sharpening, in my previous video I made a remark about the Raven, which is a bit problematic, but here it has a good distance, so you can easily put any sharpening system on it and sharpen it the way you like. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.